Just gonna stir it now. Smells rich. And this is how it looks finished in a bowl. Chip. That's blue corn, by the way. It's not on the alkaline list, by the way, but just wanted to show it for you guys how it looks. Yeah, let me know what y'all think. Let me know when y'all try it out for sure. If you guys want to do the alkaline, you can do spelt. But you know, being that we appreciate Dr. Sebi, the thing is we gotta be able to question things and be able to listen objectively. And, try certain foods out and see how they make us feel, even the ones on our list and the ones that aren't, as far as pertaining to plants and whatnot. Because there's a lot more foods, than we think. Most definitely that weren't on the list that he put on. But we must keep the brother alive by using his ways, and we're very grateful about what he's left us. And some may say what he continues to give us, you dig. So American Pride. But if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can do that by sending us a DM on Instagram at Healing Through Inspiration. If you're not following us there, we post regular content. Or you can just email us at info@healingthroughinspiration with the subject coaching. Yeah, we got tons of great things, American apparel, whatnot, and artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. You guys want to start a business right now, especially in the era that we're in right now, you can do that with the link in the description box. But yeah, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. Daily uploads. Peace, love, and light.